You are about to install a new iOS on your device, so it's recommended to back up your device first. Apple is going to release iOS 12 final version this September. If you cannot wait and want to install this iOS 12 right now, then you need to join the Apple Beta software program. Simply go to beta.apple.com. Click Enroll your devices. And sign in with your Apple ID. Type the email address and your password. Click Sign In button. Enter the Apple ID verification code that you received on your device. Click Continue. Now scroll down a little bit and then click Download Profile button. This will download a configuration file on your device. Click Allow button, then Install. Enter your device passcode. Click Install and then Confirm Install. Here you need to restart your device. Once your device is restarted, go to Settings and then General, Software Update. Here you can see it's checking for the update. You need to connect to your Wi-Fi network connection. Simply switch to your Wi-Fi and click Download and install it. This may take some time to download. The file is approximately 2.5 GB. During this time you can do whatever you want to do. Once download is completed, simply click the install button and follow the on-screen instructions. If you need any further help, please leave a comment below.